Oh. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're fitting the Civic exhaust. So with this we'll be doing it in the garden, well, the front driveway anyway. So what we'll need is adjustables and some socket sets. We've got the 2 axle stands, the jack, and as most people know, something to lay down on because it's going to be wet. So let's just go around and show you the Civic. So at the moment we've got custom BSAs, so and they're running, where is it? That's there. They're running Roadstones, which in my opinion quite grippy. And then on the inside we've got some custom LEDs. We've got blue ones in there at the moment, and there is an air filter in there. I mean, it's not the correct one, but when you're working on a budget, you make it fit. So this is what we got to do. So I think what we'll do, if I can get it balanced on the stand anyway, is we'll get it jacked up. Best thing to have is a normal jack. I mean, if not, you can always use an extra stand. But normal jacks make it 10 times easier. So start by finding a strong point of the car. Jacking point. Feel too strong. As I say guys, you don't get it on a strong bit, as most of you may know, but to some of you that want to do this yourself, if you don't get it on the strong bit, it's going straight through the floor. Problem is you don't want it in your way, otherwise you're not going to get to it. You also don't want the car too low, otherwise again. The second one around this side. I don't need this one as big because I'm only working on the side next to it. So as I was saying, we've got modified Nationals to come next. There's also USC that'll be appearing at. Japfest definitely, because it gives me more inspiration for this car. I mean, I've got a few things lined up which I'm not going to spoil, but they're going to be interesting anyway. Check. Seems sturdy enough. But as a just in case precaution, because me personally, I don't know whether anybody else would, don't really want to be squished by one of these. But I haven't seen many EU6s that have been modified, to be honest. If you've got any, leave some in the comments below. I'd love to see everybody else's. Like that. Just leave that like that for a support. So, what we'll do, pull you off of here. And as you can see, there's our exhaust. So now what we'll do, there we go. So now you can see everything I do. So let's move my makeshift blanket here. So now with this car, I am the second owner. So, what we'll do just in case, spray all the nuts and bolts there, just so that it don't come to bite us back on the bum. Because the last thing anybody wants is a snap bolt. Because everybody knows that snap bolts can be a major pain in the ass. But if you're liking the videos, please like and subscribe, because I enjoy making this content. I enjoy learning new stuff from everybody in the comments. I bet you there'll be people telling me now, oh, you could have done that easier, but that's what I want to know. Because at least that way, that's the only way people learn. So it looks like I've just gone and got a bit of rag because looks like there's a lot of rust residue all over these. Just making it a bit of a nightmare to clip on. Get the right nut size anyway. So that's the 14. Doesn't fit. See if the 13 fits. Yep, 13 now fits. And now 13 don't fit. It's the only problem with rust. Try 12. Like I say, they're rusty to high heaven. Now we've got the heat shielding in the way. Probably going to speed through this bit because it's a long old process, but in a minute we're going to have one anyway. It's just that second one that wants to be stuck on. So guys, I think we're going to stop here for the minute. I'll see you guys when we get the next. Hey guys, just a quick update. We got one bolt off, and there's the second bolt. So it's full on snapped inside of here. So currently I'm just going to try and get it out, and I'll get back to you shortly. Well guys, time to take her out for a test drive. So, it's a pretty easy build to be fair. Sounds nice pulling off. Doesn't sound too loud, sounds quite nice. I know you can't see a lot at the moment, you can probably just hear my voice. But hopefully I'm getting a new stand soon that will go in the car, so we can see my face a bit better. But I mean, I haven't seen many of these cars, like I say. If anybody's got any, please just send them down in the comments and let me know, because this is what I enjoy. I mean, as you just saw, I bet some people have had the same. You have problems happen and you just sat on a driveway, really. That's all it is. So, but I mean, sounds quite nice. It's holding on all right. Going over some bumpy roads, so she's got a bit of power to her. For a 90 quid eBay one, it's not bad. Sounds quite nice. Not making any noises, no rattling or nothing, so I can't complain really. Even though it's not supposed to really fit this model, as you can tell, but still works, still functions. So at the end of the day, that's all you really need. So this is a success really, which is surprising. But I'm going to get the bolts done off camera anyway, and go from there about that. But I hope you've liked the video, so hit it a thumbs up and subscribe, because we have plenty more of this content. And if you see me at a show, I'm a nice friendly person, so just come up, say hello. I'll always chat to anybody about anything. But all I can say is thank you for watching, and speak to you all later.